Heidi, it's lunch. I'm hungry. Let's go find So Tam Good food truck.
Let's go.
Throughout central Indiana, So Tam Good is bringing Mexican cuisine right to you. Tammy, who curated her recipes through years spent in Arizona, is currently located in Kokomo on Tuesdays. Visit So Tam Good on Facebook for her stops and her menu.
So ready. Everything smells so good. Thank you.
Okay, unboxing.
The quesadilla and the burrito. Sweet corn. Look at that. Cheers.
That's like perfectly spicy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Creamy, cheesy, spicy. Perfection. Sour cream, salsa, chicken quesadilla, and a beef burrito.
Ready? Cheers.
That's so good. Ready to try this giant burrito?
Guys.
This is So Tam Good. I'm making a mess.
Get it? Lunch done.